Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting the device ready. Make sure your Fire TV is on the same Wi-Fi network and your Amazon account is signed in because updates check your account and internet. Once done, confirm the remote navigates menus. That avoids delays. Next, open Settings and go to Applications so you can access installed apps. This step is essential because it lets you choose manual updates or check app details. Make sure to note Available Storage, which can block updates if low. Now you locate the app. From home, navigate to Apps or the App Store and highlight the app you need to update. You should see an update button on the app page if a newer version exists. Press it to download and install. If update is absent, make sure to open Manage App and clear cache or check storage because insufficient space can hide the update option. Also, consider toggling automatic updates on in the App Store to avoid repeating this manual step. Finish by launching the updated app to confirm the new version and that functionality is restored. You want to verify streaming, sign-in, or playback features. If the update fails, restart your Fire TV first and then retry the download because a reboot clears temporary glitches. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall the app to get a clean install, but be aware this may erase saved local settings. If none of this works, check network or Amazon.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.